Makurdi town of north-central Nigeria is drained by River Benue, River Katsina-Ala, and the smaller tributaries of the Cross River. The people of Makurdi town depends on the land and water resources for sustenance. However, a large portion of the areas is flooded annually, leading to loss of life and destruction of properties. Today, the Wadata TV Nigerian visited the River Benue to assess the river with a view to identify areas that are mostly vulnerable to flood in order to come up with a proper flood disaster preparation and mitigation proactive techniques that will help to prevent damage to economic activities, including settlement. Stay tuned for more updates. Abubakar DAN-NAYAWO.